Hey Raj, we've done shop conversations, office conversations, friend conversations. But today, let's talk about the technique behind all of these role play practice.
Oh, the actual method of practicing through pretend conversations.
Exactly. Lesson 33 Role play conversation practice. It's one of the fastest ways to prepare for real situations. And you can even do it completely alone.
Wait, alone? I thought roleplay always needed two people.
Not at all. You can play both characters yourself. Feels strange at first, but it works. Let's demonstrate a couple of scenarios. Then I'll show you the solo method.
Okay, let's start.
Doctor's visit first. I'll be the doctor, you're the patient.
Go ahead.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem today?
I've had a headache and a mild fever since yesterday.
Have you taken any medicine already?
Just a paracetamol last night. Didn't help much.
All right, it looks like a mild viral fever. Please rest and drink plenty of fluids.
Thank you, doctor. Should I come back if it doesn't improve?
Yes, if it continues past 3 days, come back for a checkup.
Notice the phrases. What seems to be the problem? And should I come back if it doesn't improve?
Exactly. Genuinely useful at any clinic. Second scenario asking for directions. You be the local, I'll be a lost tourist.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the nearest train station.
Sure. Go straight down this road, then turn left at the signal. It'll be right there.
Is it walking distance?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Useful phrases. Could you help me? Go straight, then turn left. And is it walking distance?
Simple but useful anywhere. Now, how do we practice this alone, without a partner?
That's what I want to know.
Step 1. Pick a situation. Step 2. Think through both sides of the conversation. Step 3. Say both parts out loud, changing your tone slightly for each character.
So I literally talk to myself playing both people?
Exactly. Let me demonstrate. I'll play both doctor and patient, alone, right now. Good morning. How can I help you? I have a stomachache since this morning. Have you eaten anything unusual recently? Yes, some street food yesterday.
That was impressive, switching voices like that.
The voice switch isn't even necessary. Just a slight tone change works fine. The real value is practicing both sides of a real conversation.
Makes sense, since in real life you need to expect what the other person might say back too.
Exactly. That's the biggest benefit. A couple of quick tips. Practice somewhere private so you feel free to speak out loud. And record yourself sometimes to hear what felt natural versus stiff.
We really do keep coming back to recording ourselves in every lesson.
Because it genuinely works. Let's do one more together. Hotel check in. Then you can try practicing alone later.
I'll be the receptionist.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Anjali.
Let me check. Yes, found it. A double room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Could I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Here's your room key. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10.
Thank you so much.
Short scenario, but useful phrases. I have a reservation under the name. Could I see your ID? And breakfast is served from.
So, friends, to summarize, role play isn't just for two people. You can practice alone by playing both characters. Pick a situation, think through both sides, say it out loud, and record yourself if it helps.
Try this tonight. A doctor visit, ordering food, checking into a hotel, and practice both sides alone.
Comment below which situation you'll try first.
If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe, and we'll bring more real life roleplay scenarios.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.
Bye. And Raj, since we did a doctor scene, does that mean I get a free medical opinion now?
Absolutely not, Anjali. Bye everyone.